sir.
Now I am the only superhero in Paris, and a superhero keeps his word. Albert.
Owl's whipped cream deactivated, sir.
Oh no, deliver the packets to me. Albert, transfer! I am the best bird! They are mine. Lady Bug's ability to create and Cat Noir's power of destruction. Whoever succeeds in merging these two miraculous shall be granted a wish that can change reality and erase the past. This cannot be! No! Dark Owl! Ladybug and Cat Noir tricked you! These are fake miraculous made out of salt dough! Yes, What? But that's impossible! How did you do it?
Hey, what did you expect? A superhero never reveals her secret. I thought you'd know better. I got plan A, plan B, and all the alphabet to Z. Did you really think we'd give you our miraculous? We're superheroes. We are Ladybug
and Cat Noir. By the way, say hi to Hawkmoth for us. Hope he enjoys his new toys.
Destroy them, Dark Owl! If you fail again, you can bid your superpowers farewell! Boomerangs! Trajectory control, Albert!
Still don't know where Akuma's hidden.
He's telling us any of his weapons. Hurry! Lucky charm! The first volume of the Adventures of Night Owl?
Do you think you could defeat me by reading to me, Ladybug?
Night Owl has a partner. So must Dark Owl.
He's all yours, lady.
Dark Owl's akumatized object is not on him. It's in his lair. Don't let him get away, Cat Noir. I'm off to school.
See that? Reading comic books can actually save lives.
Albert,